Winner of the 2022 TIDA Australia Renovation of the Year is Clinton Cole and Carmen Chan of CplusC Architectural Workshop.
An 1884 dual-frontage Victorian terrace house was the starting point for this dramatic transformation into a home with ample light-filled space for family members to entertain and to enjoy time together or apart. Achieving this required innovative thinking, given that the light industrial zone site was narrow and unusually long and had warehouse buildings on either side. The home now opens from an unassuming exterior to reveal a fascinating internal focus that more than compensates for the lack of views. Bold 3.8 metre high louvers and skylights create patterns of light and shade that vary with season and time of day. An accordion design compresses and connects the vast spaces, expressed by a recurring zigzag motif in the floors, the louver windows, and even the kitchen bench. External elements are used inside, and the outdoors is featured throughout with the expansive use of glass. This was a renovation project that immediately caught the TIDA judges' attention, a topsy-turvy design that deliberately confounds perspective by bringing the outside in. Congratulations to CplusC Architecture Workshop, winner of the TIDA Australia Renovation of the Year.